look around this home, you would never know it's 30 years old. It's been completely renovated, and everything from the crown molding to the ceiling is up to date. This home reflects the vision of its owner, Rocco, who runs Oneida Builders.
When I saw the lot and I saw the back of the house, I envisioned a hotel suite overlooking a wooded area with a little creek. These houses have just small foyers, so basically we just wanted to get it as beautiful as possible, refinishing hardwoods, wider moldings, give you the illusion of taller ceilings.
In the front of the home, he used blues and browns to create a calm, soothing look.
Dining room and in the front foyer area, we're trying to get some blues and browns and make it very comforting and soothing. And to keep the traditional woodwork and crown moldings and wide casing that's common in these houses.
He also insisted on a couch in the dining room.
We came up with a little nook, and I wanted to have a couch in the dining room. You don't have to sit at the table and be uncomfortable.
When you walk in the living room, you have the feeling of openness and lots of light.
This room worked out exceptionally well in bringing in the natural light and the beauty of the backyard with the high windows, and it was a great design, and it really is very functional. And we're able to entertain in this room with 2 or 3 groups of people and still all being open. Some people are watching the high definition TV sports, while other people are in the sunroom at the high top table in the brown sectional couch, you know, able to just have coffee and a conversation.
Rocco created the open look by adding the sunroom, and instead of walls, he used columns to separate the rooms.
What we were trying to do in this room is to create 2 separate rooms, but also keeping the flow of one room.
In the living room, he moved the television away from the fireplace.
When you buy a house like this, the TV's usually on the left or right side of the fireplace. So we flip-flop and put the bookcases in with window seats and there's storage underneath.
The sunroom, as well as everything else in the home, conserves energy.
It's totally climate controlled, has low E glass in the windows with argon, and it's built with foam insulation.
Rocco's company, Oneida Builders, is an Earthcraft certified remodeler. There are 360 line items for conservation,
ranging from special insulation, special HVAC, better doors and windows, just a tighter envelope to keep your outside air outside and your inside air inside.
Rocco estimates he saves about 40 to 50% on his energy bills. Another challenge to this renovation, creating a larger, more open kitchen.
It was very small, it was dark, and it was dated. We wanted big, we wanted entertaining, we wanted flow. We were maintained, had 8-foot ceilings, but the extension we were able to vault that, use a Velux skylight, bring natural light in.
Everything in the design of the kitchen focused around the Manhattan green granite for the island.
So we had Manhattan green granite, and we had a black slate for the backsplash with custom inlays on a diamond pattern.
This built-in is another Rocco idea.
That's a little signature we do a lot with Oneida. It's called a built-in banquette.
The look he wanted in the kitchen was a modern yet traditional one, mixing in a few contemporary designs.
Cabinets have a custom glaze on there with an ebony, and we're able to keep some traditional look and also incorporate with the banquette a contemporary look. The bar stools have a little contemporary flair.
Just off the kitchen is a spacious laundry room. The home is a great mix of practical space and luxurious living. Take the master bedroom and master bath.
So when I do have the time, when I'm in my bedroom, I really want to feel like I'm on vacation.
He created a resort look with a balcony overlooking the backyard.
We open up the doors and we're able to just enjoy the outdoors, the crickets and the breezes, the cool breezes.
He also added all the modern amenities.
Of course, you got to have a plasma TV, a wet bar, and a refrigerator. What we were trying to create in the bathroom was a Tuscan spa retreat with columns and barrels and just a real soft look, but also with some man look, with some black and some greens.
The master bath also has heated floors.
It has a thermostat, so you don't have to waste a lot of energy. Heated towel bars, you know, spoil yourself. I mean, people work hard today.
And what master bath would be complete without a fireplace?
Being able to take a jacuzzi and have the fireplace on, it just gives you a sense of relaxation and a rejuvenation for your work weeks.
Even one of the children's baths has a whirlpool.
And it's funny because my girls sit in there and they tell me, Dad, us women need to relax after their hard day at school or their hard day at the soccer field. Go figure.
The inside of the home wasn't all that needed a new look. Rocco renovated the front porch and the back deck.
We were able to add a great front porch that works out for aesthetics. It creates some visual depth, great curb appeal, and also very functional.
He used tile to create a new and more practical look on the deck.
Since wood can be a problem, we were able to tile the deck. It makes it look like a stone patio.
Since Rocco's company did all the work on this masterpiece, he now uses it as a show home so that clients can see the changes they can make to their own homes.
It's pretty much endless what you can do, and it works as a great showpiece because we're able to take our clients through here and not only show them a kitchen, a sunroom, a master bath. It's like a one-stop shop, and most people can't visualize.
Changing this home was a lot of work, but Rocco says there's nothing like the feeling you get when you sit back and look at all the changes.
It was nice that we were able to create a show place for our clients, a earthcraft renovation to conserve energy, and also just a place to become a home and to enjoy it for many years to come.